Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Shivangi this side again, and in today's class we are going to discuss about past continuous tense. If you have seen my previous video, so you won't find this tense difficult for sure. So now we are going to discuss about past continuous tense in this video. Before we start this class, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and press the bell icon so that you can keep receiving notification and you can keep on learning English well. So let's start. If I talk about past continuous tense, we need to use this tense where we are discussing about past. Something was happening with us but in a continuous form. Like something happened to us but it was in continuous form. Like I was playing cricket. That is how we need to compose sentences. Like if suppose I talk about what I was doing last night, I will say that I was watching movie. That is how we need to, and this situation we are in the requirement to use past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, what we need to do is, obviously as like other tenses, this also starts with subject. Subject can be I, we, you, they, plus was or were, depending upon whether the subject is singular or plural. If the subject is singular, we have to use was, whereas if the subject is plural, we have to use were. Along with helping verb like was or were, we have to use first form of verb plus ing. As I told you, in all continuous, ing is common. We have to put this. And it's very easy to write. I mean like that, I don't know, but it goes smooth if you are using continuous tenses plus object for sure. So I am going to repeat it like subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing. That is how past continuous tense sentences are composed. And it's very easy. Let's talk about certain examples so that you can learn well. If I am talking about something like if I talk about any third person like he, she, then I would say he was playing football. He was playing football. He's a singular. That is why I used was. If I talk about any plural sentence, then I would say they were playing football. That is how you can easily compose sentences in past continuous tense, which is one of the easiest tense in English language. So I hope you learned well in this video. So if I talk about negative sentence, then helping verbs are always there in past continuous. So we just need to add not with what, with was and or were. So we need to say that he was not playing football. If I need to talk about something which is in negative as well as which is in past continuous forms, then we need to write not with was or were. That is how we need to compose negative past continuous sentences. So this is what about today's class. In next video, we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning. Keep supporting, keep watching, keep learning, and do write the sentences of past continuous in the comment section so that you can learn them. Bye-bye.